What about decks and that sort of thing? I know decks aren't as prevalent as sheds, but talk about that process.
One thing we look out for decks out here is a lot of times you have creatures living underneath them, possums and sometimes rats and things like that. But we've had some bees. We look out for those type of things. Other than that, it's pretty straightforward, right? We send a team in, send them in with usually sawzalls and impact drivers. Sometimes you can unscrew them. Most of the time that we end up cutting them up anyways to make them fit. We cut them up into manageable pieces. We stack them up in the truck and we haul them away. Usually takes a couple hours to get it done.
Making the process sound easy, and it is easy when you guys do it, but I've taken down decks, I've taken down sheds. It's a long, hot, sweaty process when you're doing it with yourself or your brother and trying to do it on the weekend. So Sean's team can come in, do it during the week when you're at work even, and then you can enjoy your backyard again and build a new deck or put in a new shed. Great service to have at your disposal.